Summertime means pool season, and what a better place to talk about pools than inside a pool without water.
That's right. We're diving into this one-of-a-kind San Juan pool with Skip BEDELL. Now,
Hey,
Skip, you brought some of these San Juan pools by a couple of years ago.
I have,
But
yeah.
this is new because they've actually used a 3D printer, a gigantic one,
They have
to make it.
It's amazing. The new technology, guys, is like normally they would build the molds that make these fiberglass pools out of wood and plastic and rubber, and it takes months to make them. They can now print any size pool like you have right here in a matter of days, and they 3D print it. The best part about it is it's completely recyclable. So when they're done, they can put it through a shredder and reuse those plastic pellets. So these guys are like the innovators. You know, they've been in business 65 years. They're a family business here in America, and all their pools are made right here in the country.
So this is jacuzzi. This
It
is
is,
where
yeah.
you can, let me make sure.
This is the Baja Beach.
This is
Watch
where you
this.
lay out.
This is the 8-person.
Come here. I'm sorry.
Hot tub.
You turned your back on
Watch
I'm
this.
just
Hold
showing
on a
people
second.
what you can do.
You got the beach entry walk-in,
This is
so you can lay
amazing.
back on the beach. You just hang out and get a tan.
Right.
And the
Half your body is in the water. This
Yes.
half gets sun.
This is the true beach entry.
This
It's the
is
only
the
one of its
best
kind,
feature.
and the water spills over the stairs and mixes in here, so you can walk
Come
down
on,
the ramp
Steve.
or the steps.
Well, here, I just love this pool. I don't know if this picture right here just is so...
Yeah, that's what
Look
it
at
looks
this
like.
picture.
Yes, that's what
How
it looks
cool
like
is that?
installed.
And I like this, where's the glass?
Yeah,
down at
so you can
the
see
end
the
of it
glass
right
end there,
So,
guys.
Steve, the
Amazing.
San Juan people told me they do the glass too, because if you live on the beach, you can put this in your backyard and still see the ocean. 'cause
That's
it's
right.
clear.
Here it is.
Right.
Look at that.
You can install this in ground or above ground or
Janice,
semi,
how
like you
great
see
is
there.
this?
Where are the drinks? I just came for the
I know,
drinks.
Yeah.
I know.
That was
See,
last hour.
Yeah, that's right.
You know
It's-
what parents love about the gradual entry, though, too? Because if you have little children,
Yeah.
then they can play up here.
That's
and they're
right.
not
They can
actually,
stay right here in this area where it's kind of, dry. They
Right,
can
but
hang out
still
and
play in the
and
water.
then get in as they want. As you can see, it doesn't have a super deep end.
Sure.
So the best part about the print is they can make it any shape they want. So
Right.
it's really genius what they do right now.
Is it easier than getting your own custom pool to get one prefabricated?
It really is, because it takes a lot less time. So you can still get installations right now for the fall, where it might take you a year or two to get on a pool company's list right now. Is
My
backed up.
across the street neighbors, Ed and Linda, had one of these installed, and it was a one-day deal.
Amazing, right? Yeah, you can get this. You can get these pools installed in one day, fill it, come home, and have a ready operating pool. And you can never do that with a concrete pool.
So we could take this one on a flatbed trailer out to one of our homes and have it installed by this.
Are you hinting at something,
apartments.
Steve?
Or apartments.
I hear a hidden message in here.
I just don't know how this would go across the George Washington Bridge.
Yeah.
Then I guess I'll have to
they
take it and
brought
put it
on
in
that
my
big
apartment.
trailer. Look,
Yeah,
that big
absolutely.
trailer behind you. They actually brought it all the way from Florida. That's where they make
Did they?
these.
So they do it on
Yeah,
its
they're
side.
the world's largest fiberglass pool company. They send them all over the world. So it's amazing stuff they're doing. And they wanted to be the innovators and be the first one to 3D print the pool, but no one made a machine big enough. So they built their own machine, and now they have a company that basically does that, and that is alphaadditive.com. And so now with alphaadditive.com, they're making their own printers, large format. They can print anything. They can print the city bus. I mean, you can see behind us that big frame. That's actually the size of the
yellow
printer.
frame?
Yeah.
Wow.
Are we gonna
Unbelievable
fill
stuff.
this pool
And
up?
all the prices.
Well, we're not going to fill it. I wanted to leave no water in it, so you guys can see the whole bottom and how it works. The 8-person hot tub.
Okay.
Right.
So-
And all the
The
prices
weekend
are on
show.
your-
The
all
weekend show,
prices
they
are on
tend
your
to do
site,
that stuff.
All the stuff is on my site. Absolutely. Not only that, I wasn't going to get you guys in the pool if there was water in it. So.
Right, there you go.
Right.
Not today, anyway.
All right, so check it all out at skipbedell.com.